I see it. Oh, the Beamer boy is really trying to tweak. Okay. Heard you. Not the E36 getting rowdy. All the salt kicks. That thing's pretty damn quick though, I will not lie. But the Lexus is a little quicker. I was not expecting that whatsoever, but here we are. Not gonna lie, I passed my exit. Anyways, top of the morning, top of the evening. This was supposed to be a drifting in the snow type of video in the Lexus, but as you can see, I'm late. The roads have been plowed, which is very unfortunate. So I guess now it's just gonna be a POV drive. Look how beautiful everything looks though. Holy shit. The tints don't do it justice. Woo. I feel like I'm in a winter wonderland. My boy's about to tweak. Yup. Good mans. Oh, let me put her sideways a little, Missy. That's fun. I need that. Fuck. I need some rear wheel drive. My boy was pushing that thing. Whew. I haven't driven this car in a few days, honestly. I've been driving the Kia, but little do you know, I can't believe my girl, honestly. She tells me, I think I need an oil change, or I need an oil change bad. I'm like, alright. Go take the car, go bring it to an oil change. Then the next day, I see a red oil light pop up on a car. And I'm like, fuck, they messed it up when I went to go get an oil change. So I'm about to go the next day and freaking spaz on them. Like, yo, you gotta figure this out. And I tell her about it. She's like, oh, I've had that light on for a while. I was like, bro, you can't make that shit up. Oh yeah, get in front of the truck. Yeah, thank you, sir. R.I.P. to everybody behind him. This looks so freaking beautiful. Oh my lord, look at the trees. Jeez Louise. Wow. I love it here. boy put some flares on the ground. Like, what? Fucking tactical insertion. This is such weird snow, it's like a little slushy. It's like you got grip, then you start turning a little bit, and that motherfucker is not turning, you know what I mean? I guess you could only know what I mean if you come feel what I mean. All right, let's fucking get it. Woo! Never get tired of that rev limiter. That's gonna be a wrap, guys. I gotta get to work. It's getting dark. All the roads are paved now. Still got a good little fun video out. Always love going on a drive, especially in the snow. I look forward to it every year. You know, for a motherfucker that hates the cold, I sure do love the snow. Because when there's snow, it's cold for a reason. But when it's just cold, it's like, what the fuck is it cold for, man? You know what I mean? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!